First, welcome to China. Welcome to JWELL. And now I have some simple question to ask you again.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah. The first is why you choose JWELL's equipment.
JWELL is one of the oldest and reputed company in China, mainly for many extrusions lines. I know quite long time.
Yeah.
And this is the first project for us. So better to buy from reputed company. Suppose if it is already we are in the same business, we would have taken another machines also. So the reputed company we want to buy.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And I have second question is, what's your feeling about this test run?
The test run is okay, very good.
Very good.
Your people are very professional.
Yeah.
They are very good.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
See, another thing, for coming to JWELL for testing, you no need. Because it is only comes some sort of a satisfaction. You can take the machine without testing also. With that confidence is there. So, but I came to some other work to China. So I thought of coming here and just do that.
I see. We can take a photo.